Andrew here, with Latched Outdoorsman. So, doing a quick video today, nothing major. Was in the garage, starting to organize and pack stuff up for deer camp in the next week or two. I think it's next week, yeah. But, it gave me an idea for a little gear hack that I stumbled upon last year. I was looking at, some monopods that stuck in the ground, supplied by a hunting company. Just thought about too expensive for me, so this little hack right here is a little bit cheaper of an option. It's not only for hunting, you could probably use it for fishing, any kind of, if you're self-filming in general, fishing, hunting, hiking, doing everyday activities like, chopping wood, cutting wood, if you got that kind of channel, or whatever you want to do for your reels, shorts, or whatever it is. And it was only $4. So what it is I got an old, newer, like a GoPro selfie stick. It expands and all that stuff. And all I did was, I got a piece of all thread from a local hardware store, a washer and a lock nut. And luckily these things have a little thread on the bottom of them. And I was able to screw it in there. And the lock nut keeps it in there. And I just used a belt sander. Well, I used an angle grinder to cut off any excess that I didn't want, and used the belt sander back here to kind of sand down the threads so that it could be a little bit smoother on the ground, doesn't collect dirt when you pull it back out. And so far it works really good. I got it for turkey season last year, but I didn't film no hunting videos. Channel's moving away from hunting videos right now, and we're focusing on other stuff. So I just thought it'd be a tidbit little thing to show everybody, and maybe y'all can apply this, and maybe it'll help you all out with y'all's filming stuff. So